Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to recover a deleted photo from Instagram. So go to your profile by clicking on that profile icon on the bottom right side, and let's suppose this photo I deleted by mistakenly, or just intentionally, or whatever it is, but later then I want to recover or restore that photo. So go to settings, and here you can see account. Go to account option. Now click on that recently deleted option, and here you can see this is the photo which I've just removed, and here you can see you will be able to restore that photo in this section. So in this way you can recover a deleted photo from Instagram. So I hope you guys understand this video.